Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn potential benefits of Sterling Aqua 2407 non-chemical water treatment. A typical application are A. Cooling tower, B. Sewage treatment plant, C. Effluent treatment plant, D. Boiler, E. Multi-effect evaporator. Our liquid attacks the scaling materials in dissolved stage into undissolved stage. These materials will be in suspended as well as precipitate stage. These materials will not stick to the equipment as scales. As a contribution towards protection of environment, water and energy saving, we have our highly successful organic liquid which can reduce your cooling tower blow down to almost zero. Our liquid is acting as antibacterial, antifungal, anti-algae. It settles down all salts leading to no TDS and hardness escalation in the system. It reduces the escalation of total dissolved solid in the system. Its non-hazardous organic compound and no multi-hazardous chemicals are added every now and then. From day 10 blow down, old algae will be eradicated, free from scale and biofilm. Huge saving of water, energy and reduced load at ETP, big chain of savings.